Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel, and I get this question multiple times. How do I make live stream videos, and what camera, what gear, what stuff I use? So normally this PC which is doing all the work was in a shelf, in a like shelf above me, like you can see here. So now that I've kept it here, you can see it in the picture, and the desk is set standard, so uh, uh, ample space is there, so I don't have any issues with it. And it was collecting dust, so I just cleaned it and decided to keep it here. But in the background, everything is done by this PC. It's a Ryzen 5 3600 6 core. Then NVIDIA 1650 Super graphics card, which does all the major job. And liquid cooling for the PC. We have one fan at the back, three fans in the front, intake fans, two fans for the PC cooling radiators, CPU cooling radiators, sorry. So and all the peripherals are connected to it. For audio, I use the Blue Yeti microphone, as you can see here, and OBS Studio is my software for streaming and recording. Probably right now I'm doing this on a DSLR Nikon D5200, but when I do longer streams, I just use the Droid Cam OBS feature, where you just have to plug in these numbers to your software, and like you can use it as a webcam. I simultaneously charge it and just let it go. So for lights, I have a ring light, which you can probably see here in the reflection of computer. So it's a 15 watts ring light. I bought this a while back, and I think this streaming is a perfect purpose for this. So for audio, I have the PreSonus RS 3.5. These are the 3.5-inch drivers, active studio reference monitors. These are like in the price range. These are the best ones. Like I got it for 11,000 Indian rupees, I think. Then the Focusrite Scarlett third generation. Above that is a Philips Hue lamp, which has been covered with a custom 3D print of the globe. Actually, the 3D printer was about to finish, and like there was a power cut, so it couldn't finish. And when it came back on, the nozzle displaced it, so I could not resume that print. So I think that the top is left open here. Then this is the Ikea desk plant over here. Just favorite for the YouTubers. For studying, I used this Rife electric sit stand desk, which has a capacity of 80 kgs, and I have tested this myself. I sat on it and raised it to the presets, and it did it flawlessly. Like if like it was not carrying any weight or at max, so no issues with the speed and everything. It moves up and down flawlessly. So for mouse, I have the Logitech MX Master 3, which is again a YouTuber's favorite mouse. I connected to my Mac, set one to Mac, 2 to my laptop, Windows laptop, and 3 to this computer, the PC desktop. So what's left is the display, and an additional thing that has helped me a lot in this thing. I saw that people using screen bar lights. I think you can see it here. This is a BenQ screen bar light, adjustable brightness levels and 3 colors. It just uses a USB Type-C cable, and it's mounted on this LG 4K monitor, 27-inch. I don't know the model number, but it's got this USB Type-C interface also, where it gives power to the laptop, the Windows laptop Asus Swift 5 as well as the MacBook Pro, and it has two USB buttons, two USB sockets at the back, so you can plug in your peripherals and everything. Works like a hub as well, and charges the laptop. So let's keep this out of the way. And the monitor is mounted on an arm which is freely movable. I can move it any orientation, like portrait or landscape, tilt, everything. I think this is the Locket, or I don't know. Like, the links will be in the description for everything, so you can find everything there. But I find the OBS Studio and a good graphic card to be the best combo for streaming. Um, it's very reliable, trustworthy, and I have no problems at all with this thing. And surprisingly, noise cancellation works very well with this microphone in OBS. I don't know, like it's the OBS feature or it's an inherent microphone recording, because I have never heard it just on a regular voice recorder and then like playback. No, I have never done that. I've always used it inside the OBS Studio, and it eliminates every noise behind me, or maybe in front of me, behind the mic, or what I'm not saying, basically fan noises, air conditioner noises, and everything else. So only human voices, I should say, I think. So that is it, and that's how I stream. I guess you find this video useful. And make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and follow the streams so you can study with me. We do Pomodoro sessions. We have increased from 50 minutes to 55 minutes, and we've also incorporated a better software, so hopefully you'll find it useful and productive. All the links for everything will be in the description, except for this graphic card, which is, I bought it for 14,500 and now it's almost more than double. I guess it's 28 or something. So you could wait, or you could go with the AMD Ryzen desktops with integrated GPU like the 5600G or 3600G. I think that will do good as well. So that's it. That's my streaming setup and studying setup.